How to hide or unhide Instagram Reel video from profile grid. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to hide or unhide Instagram Reel video from profile grid. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and now go straight to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Now, as you can see, I have this particular reel on my profile grid. So if you want to hide the reel, then firstly, tap on the reel option you see there and then tap on the reel. Here, tap on the three dots you see there and further tap on the manage option. You will now see the option for remove from profile grid. If you tap on that, the reel will be removed from your profile grid, as you can see here. And now if you want to add the reel back to your grid, then tap on the reel option again and then tap on the reel. Now tap on the three dots you see there and then tap on the manage option again. You will now see the option for add to profile grid this time. So tap on the add to profile grid option, and with this, as you can see, the reel has been added to the profile grid again. So this is how you can hide or unhide Instagram Reel video from profile grid. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.